Hi, my name is Mark Majerus, Maintenance Manager at Great Lakes Cheese. We did a lighting project here in the main office that helped save us some energy using solar through energybank. We're excited to have some quality light, roughly 40 fixtures here in the office. Overall, we achieved good quality product. These two Fusion solar energy panels provide the power directly to these fixtures. And even on this cloudy day like you have today, it's providing the energy needed to light up the main office. This has been a successful project overall with Energy Bank, and we are looking to do more projects in the futures, along with possibly some other facilities within Great Lakes.